In this video, we'll go over how to use the Afterpay single-use card. First, I would suggest for you to go ahead and get the app, okay? You can get this in your Google Play Store, your App Store as well. Get the app. And these are the options you have available. Websites you can use this card on. Honestly, it goes from A to Z. It's almost endless, okay? So let me show you this page right here. So this is the app. You can go ahead and get this, right? And what you need to do basically is you need to just open up your Afterpay app, sign up, browse the shop in Afterpay app section, or you can find one of these merchants and go ahead and head to the checkout section, right? Go ahead, shop, add things to your cart, and then when you're ready to check out, you want to tap on the green buy now pay later button at the bottom of the screen and just follow along with the instructions. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guy provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.